Welcome back to Journey to Novelist. This is the Camp Nanowrimo Sprints for April 2022. This is day 13 of our April Nano Camp. And we just have a couple of sprints that correspond to the exercises that we just previously did in the last video. So let's get right into those. Our first sprint is going to be a 3-minute sprint. And what we want to do is to write a scene where our character, either our main character or another character in our story, it doesn't really matter which, interacts with someone they think might be on the wrong side. We just had the pinch point where we introduced that antagonistic opposing force. So we want some interaction with some characters here, and we'll have 3 minutes on the clock. So when you're ready, set, write. We are at 1.5 minutes. And that is time. So let's get ready to move right on into our second sprint. And we are going to do another 3-minute timer. So I will set that. And we want to write a scene where your character meets someone new. Now they've already met quite a few new people probably by this point. So this is one more new character. Somebody that they might meet because of the events that happened for the pinch point. So if you're ready, set, go. We are halfway through the timer. And that's time. We have one more sprint today, so let's go ahead and bring that up. And this sprint is going to be a scene where your character does something that is going to cause them more trouble, either accidentally or deliberately. So let's go ahead and put 3 minutes on the clock. Go ahead and stretch your fingers out. Take a minute to think of what kind of things your character could do that would get them into trouble. And let's get ready and write. We were at 1 minute 30. And that is time. That was the last of our sprints for today. Now I know these time sprints are very short and you might have just got started on some of these scenes, so you can go back and fill them in or add additional scenes. Remember, you are still working in the middle section of your novel. Your character is still reacting to things. We haven't hit the midpoint yet. You might want to go ahead and look at your notes for what's required for your genre and look at everything you've written so far and see if you need to add some more scenes in this section to make sure you cover all the points that you need for your genre. If you are aiming for that 50,000 words like we do in November, then you're going to need to hit the 21,671 word mark today. Come back tomorrow for day 14 of these sprints and exercises.